What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can sell Bitcoin on the Trading 212 crypto section of the app. Now before we continue, please keep in mind that nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice and I'm not a registered financial advisor. So this video is strictly for informational and educational purposes only, and also please do your own research before purchasing any cryptocurrency. And now with that out of the way, let's go ahead and continue. Now, first off, once you open up your Trading 212 app, just make sure that you're actually on the crypto section. So as you can see here, I am. So once you make sure of that, just go ahead and tap on your portfolio button right here. And from here, select Bitcoin. Now just go ahead and tap on sell right here. And here, let's go ahead and select all available Bitcoin that we want to sell. So I will just tap that button right there, and I will just tap on preview order. So right here, I'm selling all of my Bitcoin holdings. Now I'll just tap on send sell order. And there we go. I've sold about 3 or 4 euros worth of Bitcoin. Now if I go back to my portfolio, you can only see Solana here and the cash holdings from the Bitcoin that we sold. So essentially, that's guys how you can sell Bitcoin on the Trading 212 app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.